Hello friends, welcome to my creative channel to watch more innovative videos on machine learning using Python. As we have gone through plenty of videos on MTCNN, such as first video was face detection and recognition using MTCNN, then face recognition using MTCNN, then face recognition based on MTCNN and FaceNet, then face recognition using MTCNN and SVM support vector machine, nice video. Face analysis with MTCNN, web-based video, sqldatasetcreator.py. Then Python using VGG face and MTCNN face identification, latest video. And MTCNN and FaceNet face recognition. Today's video is really creative and interesting. It is all about face detection and face recognition using MTCNN using SQLite. So first of all, we'll go to the face detection. For that, this is the program. This is our face detection. Values are stored in the database. Now I will execute the program. Yes. Enter user ID. I will take 111. Name, obviously, Sanjay. Yes. Face has been detected. Fine. Face has been detected. Fine. Yes. Now I will recognize the face. For that, remember my ID is 111. This is all about the code. A little bit lengthy. Now I will execute the program. Yes, 1111 is there. So face is also recognized and ID is also there. So I will again execute this part. Yes, training images are so I successfully done with face recognition and face detection and face recognition using MTCNN using SQLite in different style. I hope you like this video. Now we will see another program of face identification using SQLite only. We will see SQL. This is all about another part, and my face is recognized in different style. Yes, Sachin, yes, what did you do? Okay, fine. So I successfully done with face recognition and face detection and face recognition in different style. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on MTCNN, SVM support vector machine, CNN, Keras, TensorFlow, VGG phase 2, if possible FaceNet, and more interesting videos and creative videos and innovative videos on machine learning using Python. So if you want to get latest update about machine learning, please watch my channel on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.